Welcome to our channel. Now I'm going to discuss about the CPVC pipe fittings. Here are the some materials as per the standards. CTS as per ASTM D2846. What is meant by CTS? CTS is nothing but copper type copper tube sizing as per ASTM. ASTM is a standard which is American Society for Testing Materials. Here, this is known as coupler. SOC means socket. Coupler, or it is also known as socket. Here are the sizes as 1.5 to 2.5. These are in centimeters. In inches, mostly in practical we will be using in inches: half inch, 3 by 4 inch, 1 inch, 1 by 4th inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, like that. These are the product code something. And there are standards, packaging numbers, means in a packet how many we will be getting, that is the thing. Okay, this is known as coupler or socket. Next, this is elbow, 45 degrees socket. This has the some sizes. Okay, next, this is elbow, 90 degrees socket. This is T socket. Okay, next, end cap socket. This has some sizes. Okay, sizes are available in the market. This is end cap socket. This is cross socket. Okay, next, this is male adapter. Okay, that is, this CPVC has threads on one side and socket on other side. This is male adapter. And next one is reducer female adapter. This is one side threaded and other side are plain. You can observe the diagram here. It is mid socket. Okay, next, this is reducer male socket. It is called as RMA in sites. This is union socket. Female adapter. This is, okay, one side it will be threaded and other side it is socket. This is tank adapter. Both sides thread. THD into THD. This THD denotes threads on both sides. Okay, next, tank adapter socket type. One side threaded and other side socket. Okay, here reducer T socket. It's used for reducer. It's a reducer T type. This is T and it reduces. Okay, in one side. This is tank adapter scapegoat type. One side it is threaded and at the other side is scapegoat. Okay, next. Next we are going, wait. This is reducer elbow, 90 degrees and socket. Okay, one side it is socket and other side reducer will be there with 90 degrees. This is reducer T type. Here IPS one side and CTS other side. What is meant by IPS? IPS denotes iron pipe size. Okay, CTS denotes copper tube sizing. The main difference between these two is the outside diameter. Outside diameter will be different. Next, here they denoted differently. You can observe sizes 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. These are the sizes for standard sizes. This is an reducer bushing. SPG is scapegoat. One side and other side it is socket. It is transition bushing. Transition. One side IPS size and other side CTS size. IPS is known as iron pipe sizing and copper pipe tube sizing. This is transition bushing. One side IPS and CTS. Reducer coupler. This one reducer coupler, one side socket. Elbow 90 degrees, four way. You can observe four way. This is transition coupler, IPS one side and CTS other side. Brass FPT, elbow 90 degrees. FPT full means female pipe thread. Okay, we will be using FPT, MPT like that. MPT denotes male pipe thread. Okay, these are the types. Here FPT elbow 90 degrees. You can observe here. Next, SSR elbow 90 degrees. SSR means it is an size reducing, means short radius. Okay, female extension, brass elbow. This is brass elbow where this is you can observe female extension. Okay, brass elbow 90 degrees. This is elbow 90 degrees with three way. Brass elbow with clamp. This one inside you can observe brass. This is male brass elbow 90 degrees. Male adapter. This is brass threaded. This is ball brass FPT means FPT. I just now told you female pipe thread. Okay, one side you can observe here. Reducer male adapter brass threaded. This is male brass T, female adapter brass threaded. This one. Reducer brass coupler. This one concealed valve chromy plated triangle. This one where we will be using this one in bathrooms and washrooms like that. This one is male brass union. Concealed wall chrome plated square. This is square one. Female brass union. This is concealed wall chrome plated round one. This one. Concealed wall chrome plated flower one. This one. Concealed wall swept type chrome plated square. By the observation top, it's an square. Where there is a triangle, where there is a flower. That are the types. Okay, this one is concealed wall wheel type. You can observe wheel. Concealed valve sept type, it's an flower. Concealed valve, it's a triangle. Concealed valve, it's a round shape. It's an wheel knob. It's a fancy handle knob with red and blue plastic button triangle one. SS flange white rubber grommet. This one. Fancy handle knob with red and blue plastic button square. Brass pipe. Sorry. Fancy handle with red and blue plastic button. Spindle wall part with gasket. Fancy handle knob with red and blue plastic button flower. Valve spindle with O-ring plus sheet metal lock. Valve part with gasket and O-ring. Wheel type valve. Spindle valve part with gasket. Valve body with O-ring plus valve push. Concealed chromy plated valve. Valve spindle with O-ring. Valve body with o-ring, valve part with gasket. Okay, this one is ball valve CTS sockets. CTS, I told you that thing. Ball valve handle, it's an handle. Ball valve long handle, CTS, once a CTS socket. Long radius bend, this one. Ball valve long handle, step over bend. All top adapter, 3 in wall mixture adapter, this one is. This one hot side cold down adapter, 3 in 1 wall mixer adapter. Top bottom adapter, 3 in 1 wall mixture adapter. Extension pieces chrome plated medium duty, this one. Top side adapter, 3 in 1 wall mixer adapter. Extension pieces, hot up cold down adapter. End plug thread, this is end plug thread. This is plastic strap, it's made up of nylon. Metal strap, these are the straps. Elbow holder, plastic strap, T thread, coupler, elbow 90 degrees, T socket, end caps. These all are we discussed. These all are complete. Thank you very much.